As you can see right now, I'm at Clickbank, and I'm going to log into my account to show you how powerful this system is and how much money we make on a daily basis. Alright, there we go. A little bit so you can see the daily sales snapshot. Check this out. Let me explain to you what is going on here. First of all, this is the daily sales snapshot. This shows how much money we make on a daily basis. And up here is the weekly sales snapshot. This shows the totals of how much money we make on a weekly basis. Okay? Now I want you to take a close look at the kind of money we're talking about here. We have a day where we made over $4,400. And before that, we had a day with over $2,800. And the day before that, we brought in over $2,600. This is how powerful this is. It's truly amazing. But then you see down here, we have 2 days with $200 and $300, and you're probably asking, what happened on those days? Why is there such a difference between those two and the others? What is the difference between a day with $200 and a day with $4,400? Well, the difference is, on these days, the ones with the big money amounts, those are the days we pushed the button